I got my essential oils, I got my water, my hair. I usually straighten my hair, but I have these new products that are, I guess it's just one product, yeah, because I didn't buy the hairspray, which I regret not buying the hairspray, but it is what it is. You know, I'm not trying to buy anything right now. So I'm going to use what I have, and I have this Golden Waves Sea Salt Shimmer Spray by Captain Blankenship. This has such great reviews online. I've used it once before and I like it, but I never used it with curls. So I think I'm going to curl my hair. I have this that I love. Now, when I got into non-toxic like beauty and skincare, I just didn't buy a lot of products. I was like, I'm too scared to buy products. Number one, I don't need products. Number two, they most likely have some sort of like hidden nasty thing in them that I don't need. But it was stealing a little bit of my joy. Like, I love beauty products. Everyone likes to feel good, right? So I use EWG Environmental Working Group, and I buy products that I know 100% are not gonna give me cancer. So that's great. It's not gonna cause me endocrine disruption, so I'm all for it. So I have this Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Finishing Oil Serum. Wow, that's a mouthful. I just use this to add moisture and silkiness to my hair, and it helps flyaways. And then this is going to add like a beachy kind of vibe that'll hold my curls, hopefully, and add some texture. I'm going to do my face first before I start really trying to deal with my hair. My morning skincare routine is completely non-toxic. I'm pretty sure this stuff is vegan. I use a lot of the Luminance skincare line. So first things first is splashing my face with warm water. I wash my face with soap at night, so I like to maintain the natural oils on my skin for the daytime, so I don't wash with a cleanser. I have a rose water toner that's helping balance the pH of my skin, and it's just so refreshing. Okay, even in the summer when it's hot, and if this was cold, like if I had a mini fridge in here and this was cold, which if I, ever won the Powerball, that's what I would do. I'd have a mini fridge in my bathroom for all my skincare products. Next, I have the Daily Reviving Concentrate by Kiehl's. I think that's what you're calling that. But after pregnancy, my skin was so dull, partly because I wasn't taking the supplements I was supposed to. I wasn't getting the vitamins and minerals I needed. And when you're healthy on the inside, it really shows on the outside, especially with your skin. Your skin is your biggest organ. I'm not sure I would purchase that again. I think I would try other products, but I like that product a lot. I use it every morning. This I just bought, okay? This is Nourish Skin and Hair Serum. I bought this because it was marketed as a hair, and scalp serum, and I have dry scalp issues. I first started getting dry scalp issues when I switched to a shampoo bar. I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to reduce my use of plastics, and the shampoo bar effed up my scalp. And so I've been dealing with that ever since. Plus pregnancy really has dried. I used the shampoo bar and then I got pregnant, and I continued to use the shampoo bar, which I shouldn't have done because it was causing me irritation, but I bought more anyway. What I was doing. Yeah, I tried 3 different shampoo bars, okay? They don't work for me. So I had to buy this $35 shampoo in a plastic bottle. It says massage a couple of drops onto damp face in evening, or apply directly to scars, discoloration, rashes, and stretch marks. So I'm not using it like the bottle suggests. Alright. This I'm almost completely out of, and I'm sad I have to make another purchase. This is the Antioxidant Spray, and it's rich in vitamin C. So I don't use a vitamin C serum. I am looking into that. I do want to do that, but I want it to be a stable vitamin C that is actually going to stay alive and soak into my skin. I made the mistake of buying just a regular moisturizer. Big mistake. Because it was not moisturizing my skin at all. Now I do the deep hydration from Luminance, and I don't have a problem with dry skin anymore. My issue was I misdiagnosed my skin type. I thought I had oily skin because I had a blackhead problem on my T-zone that I could not get to go away. And so I bought into these marketing schemes of these, which is so easy to do. Like, I don't blame you if this happened to you too. Because people just sell you anything, right? People will sell you anything. People, organizations, governments, they only want your money. They're not trying to help you. They are not trying to help you. They're trying to get all the money they can off of you. So I bought into this marketing scheme, and it was one of those like face brushes that vibrate, and it had the little silicone bristles. And I was like, yeah, my face feels dirty because I got all these blackheads and stuff. So I would like scrub my face with this vibrating brush, and it was making my problem worse. It's drying out your skin. It's drying it out, it's irritating it, so your skin is producing more oils. So your blackheads get worse. So I started using salicylic acid at night to help penetrate the pores. And then I use a crap ton of moisturizing stuff, and I never scrub it, and I don't use the stupid brush. I gave the brush away. I learned a lot when I went to see an esthetician. So I definitely recommend if you have a problem you want to deal with. Like I had the blackheads and I had spots of dryness, and the coloring of my face was splotchy. And I went to her and she gave me all sorts of advice. Now to deal with this hair. Hydrate, since I'm using heat, and to get rid of some of the flyaways. So I'm doing 3 sprays. I'm going to attempt to curl my hair for the first time in probably 10 years. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Don't make fun of me because I never curl my hair. I'm surprised I had a curling iron, to be honest with you. I feel like it should curl away from my face. You know, I was watching YouTube videos of people curling their hair, and those people whipping around the curling iron like it ain't nothing. I was like, damn, girl. Okay. Do I start up here? I feel like I'm nervous. Okay. It's like a puzzle. I hope this is right. I hope this is right. Okay. Alright. Sure. My mom used to only use a curling iron. And she never used a flat iron. And then she made the switch to just using the flat iron. And she would use it to curl her hair. I was like, you're amazing. I don't think this is gonna end well. Yeah. We'll see. Because my hands are so slippery from the moisturizing spray from that oil. Is it ill-advised to redo the same curl over again? Is that gonna make it worse? I wanted to get curly towards the root too, but I see that's not happening. I have to get closer to my scalp. I'm just afraid of the burn. You know, I don't want to burn myself. Alright, now I have to do like the opposite curl. That feels weird. No, see, that's wrong. It needed to be the other way. This takes skill, guys. So I need to go, instead of this way, I need to go this way. No strand left behind. No, I fucked that up. I fucked it up. I think it's just easier for my brain. Oh my god, look at how close that is to my neck! Ah! Ah! Oh! I'm okay. It ain't worth it. My dog wants to come in, but it's almost exactly like I'm performing surgery. So, there's no time to let the dog in. This is taking ages. This is like straight up taking so long. Oh wind it up so tight and then I forget which way to unwind it. So it's like getting so close to my scalp. And I'm like, oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck here forever. Also, what is with these faces I'm making? I like can't move my arms behind my head without scrunching my eyebrows up like this. I love how this side is really full and this side is like limp. Voluminous this is, and how like totally not this is. Is it because this has been sitting for longer? Or did I just like not do this right? Like, this looks so bad. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I got my ear. Separate the curls. Can I get the back? I'm sure the back looks really bad. I'm sure of it. Yeah, you know what? This is cute. This is so cute! Okay, I'm gonna be curling my hair more often. Well, it depends. If this stays throughout the day, then we will have found a new hairstyle. They do look more curly after that spray. They do. This looks hella frizzy after that spray. Actually, oh, I just sprayed myself in the face. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, when I upload a new video, then click the little bell icon. That's the notification button. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time.